What's up guys, Tom with Verus Engineering, and today we're going to be dressing up your VB WRX with some sweet looking caps. Alright, we'll get the easy ones out of the way first. We've got the Coolant Overflow tank cap, and we've got the washer fluid tank cap, and these are direct replacements. So all we need to do is remove these caps, and we'll start with the Coolant Overflow. Take your cap, set it on there in the orientation that you prefer. Make sure you hear a very nice audible snap. Take your washer bottle cap, do the same, and see it's got a nice snug fitment. Make sure you get the orientation just right, and there you have it. All right, moving right along, we got the brake fluid reservoir cap. You want to make sure you have this thing lined up in the correct orientation. Okay. Now, once you have this thing removed and the cap placed on it, simply push the OEM cap into your new aluminum cap, and you want to make sure you have positive engagement on the retaining teeth. You can kind of see it right there. There's a little downward kind of tooth, and there will be two of them on the cap. Keeps the cap nice and secure inside of the aluminum one, and when you go to put this back on, it's in the right orientation. All right, next we've got the oil cap, and to do this we're going to remove the OEM oil cap like so. You're going to need a 4mm Allen key or socket. All right, so we need to get the correct orientation for the cap, and in order to set the correct orientation, you basically will be backing this screw out or tightening it in order to set the correct depth of the threaded adapter. So, access hole here, and you've got your Allen key just like this going through the middle, and you'll be able to tighten or loosen this with this cap. Basically, you want to thread this on, have it in the correct orientation, and then remove it, and you're going to turn the screw backwards so that it actually bottoms against this piece here, and then you'll be able to tighten this on the car. Once you're ready to do your final installation, we're going to transfer the O-ring from your OEM cap onto the new cap. Like so. There you have it. Perfectly installed cap. All right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the install of your beautiful new billet caps on your VB WRX. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to email us at sales@verus-engineering.com. Until next time, we'll see you later.